So our group is group number 13, and this is our final project for the class CS1010. My name is Yiming Lin, and my partners are Griffin Allison, Rashik, and Eclair. Now today we'll be presenting a little bit about what is HTML and how we incorporate it into our own websites. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used for designing web pages using creating HTML tags. An example of an HTML tag can be found on this PowerPoint. And this HTML pages can be viewed anyone on the website. So why is websites useful? Being able to design a website is an incredibly useful skill to have in the real world. Many companies require websites and people to create them. Many employers look for profiles and personal pages and personal websites. So a personal example which I found why websites are highly helpful and there's a necessity for people to create them is this example that I was driving down Emmett Street and I found this interesting Chinese restaurant, and I didn't go in. But when I got home, I got really hungry and I realized I really wanted to order from this place, but I didn't have their menu or any of their information. So I Googled in the website. I Googled in the name of the restaurant and found their website, and I clicked on their website, and there was all sorts of information about the restaurants, from the menus to the hours to the contact page. And this is why in the real world websites are so important, because in such a globalized world we really do need websites to connect people in order to increase business, from e-commerce to daily businesses, like something that I've experienced. Now moving on. Um, Creating the website itself is a very interesting task. There are many free or paid online tools that are available for people to create these websites. However, in class, we'll be using Google Sites and HTMLs to create our personalized websites. Why Group 13 chose to present this project? Designing a website is an extremely useful skill for all majors, and we wanted to show something visual to our professor and to our TAs, and to synthesize something that we've created throughout this semester that can be useful, for the rest of our lives maybe. Um, and so all of us wanted to show an interesting interest and a desire to learn how we've acquired such an important skill through going to, CS1010 and learning from the course. Now, the design features for this project include a front page with an image and a short bio, in addition to headers and images that link to the personal websites, text boxes to include biographical descriptions along with images, and a table to show where we attended schools, along with additional features and link to perhaps YouTube videos, favorite music videos, etc. So in order to find our website, you type in this address and you click on the link, and our website should pop right up. So the front page has a few features, the first of which is the profile pictures, as you can see, and when you click on these, they actually link to our personal page. However, if you'd rather do it by the sidebar navigation, you can also click our names here, and you'll be able to be linked up to our page. Now there's a group introduction text box right here which briefly describes our group and our designs and interests that will be shown by clicking these, along with the video that you're watching if you click this link. Now moving on, we'll have designing the different aspects of the website, and we're going to give a little bit more detail about how to really go and change the text boxes, images, and whatnot. So the first step is adding layouts and headers, because that is basically the skeleton of the design for the website. It's extremely important to decipher whether we want single column, 2 columns, 3 columns, and and this will really shape how the website looks in itself. And the reason why we chose a single column layout is for the simplicity and appealing look on the front page, along with a clear headline that provides, descriptive information to what you're reading. Now moving on, we'll have, how to add images. So using Google Sites, adding images is extremely simple. You click on the Insert tab and you click the image option, and this allows you to upload an image from your computer or from another link that you've used. Now, if we want to use Google websites, the typical HTML code to link another image to the page would be shown right here, and you would have to use this code to show an image. Now, adding text is extremely easy during using the Google Sites as well. So Google Sites allows individuals to create text boxes and add text and change font colors, font sizes, etc. through Google Sites. However, if you were to use HTML tags for text formatting, they're included to these types of tags. And so, this makes it a little bit more difficult, however, a lot easier compared to other languages. Now, these are a few examples you can look at, but are not limited to how to change the format of the text. The next feature we'll be talking about is adding links. Links are extremely easy to add, especially through Google Sites, and you can alter text displays and images and links to another URL. So first you would use the Insert tab, as we've previously used to find the image, and you'd click on the link option. Once that happens, a link will pop up asking you to input the web address, and then you'll have the link to the website. Simple as that. However, if you weren't using Google Websites, the normal HTML code to adding links would be seen here. The next step is editing themes, fonts, and headings, which are, a lot of the design aspect to make your website more appealing. So first you would use the Manage Website option, and then you would choose the different themes that we use, and then it is possible to change the size, the color, the font of the main components of the front page based on an individual's aesthetic design and taste. Now let's move over and actually see the website itself. So I've just accessed our main page, and as you can see, you would type in this address to reach our website. And so we have this header and these images that describe each of the members in the group 13. And then we have, brief introduction of the class and why we presented this project. And so each of these profiles can be accessed through the link below. So let's take, for example, a Claire's. You can access her page by the link under her. And so it shows her profile picture along with a biography of her name, year, major, school, classes that she's taking, along with hobbies, her past schools, her extracurriculars, and she was extremely interested in graphic design. And so she uploaded an image of graphic designs that she created before. And she's also a very punny individual, as you can tell from this poster. You don't not want to miss food fight. And then she also, attached a YouTube link of her favorite video, which can be uploaded on these Google Sites. And if you click this link, you can actually access the video right here, and music will be playing. Simple as that. Alternatively, you can also access individual profiles on the sidebar. For example, let's go to Griffin's profile. Shows the same layout, the years that they've attended, and whatnot. So this is our project. Let's go back home clicking this link. And there we go. And now we have approached the end of the video, and here are some of the sources we have used. Group 13 wants to thank you for an incredible semester, and we hope to see you around grounds. Thank you